resort. What do you think?
I should have done more research.
Not exactly what we were looking for. It's supposed to be a 2-hour drive, but it would turn into like about 3 hours, which wasn't awful. I think the Philippines is just like super, I don't know if you can see me because the lighting. Philippines is super green, which is nice. I kind of slept some of the way, but not the entire way. Happy we are outside of Manila, so it'll be nice. And we're close to the water, so we'll see what happens. INR, and we're just
Missing the crimson.
Wow.
I was kidding.
Wow. Anywho, it's lovely. It does look like it's gonna rain. Remember, I don't know if I mentioned it in the last vlog, but it's been raining a lot, so we delayed our trip a little bit. But we have about 5 days here. I'm excited to show you around a little bit. I don't know how much we're gonna be going. Why are you laughing?
Just where to go. I bring spice to the vlogs, don't I, people? Can you do a poll thingy? Does she bring spice? Let them say yes. Can you make that happen in that moment, right? Let him know who adds spice to his vlogs.
We're gonna have, I don't even know where I was going with all this now. I'm gonna spend some time writing here because I also feel inspired being in a new place other than office rooms. We're also gonna have a conversation about life, you know, just like how life is going.
Whatever, he's so serious and we're on vacation.
Until next time.
I'm gonna do my own vlog.
Look, just look at this.
I'm gonna do my own vlog because he doesn't let me talk.
All right. Thanks for hanging out, people. We will. I'll check back in later. Alright, so I don't know where to begin. So we came here a little while ago. We had something to eat, a couple drinks, and now we're deciding to go home.
Do we need to unpack that for them?
We will. Yeah, let's unpack that a little bit.